welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm base box for the month of April 2022. And yeah, hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer, this is my husband Aaron, and this is our house guest, Fanny the Flamingo. And yeah, on my channel, I love doing unboxings, I love makeup, I love doing neutral looks, and colorful looks, and talking about makeup, anything related to makeup. And yeah, I also am agoraphobic, so I do talk about agoraphobic subjects and mental health issues. If you're into any of that, or say you're into all of that, then I would love it if you hit that subscribe and tap that notification bell and set it all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. So, if you're interested in today's...
Fanny's definitely interested.
Are you interested, Fanny? Yeah, if you're interested in seeing what's in my BoxyCharm, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, so I get BoxyCharm base box once a month, and it is around $29.99, I guess, a month. I don't know. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can go check out BoxyCharm if you want. You get 5 full-size items, and you get to choose one of those items. Now, I guess I liked my box last month, but some of the boxes I haven't been liking. If your box is red, you know you got the base box. And I did get a notification from BoxyCharm saying that one of my items was going to be a repeat item. And they gave me a coupon for $12 off at the drop shop. I was like, why can't you just credit my account? I don't know.
She says the box that she lives in is way nicer than that box.
Yeah, I imagine so. So, this month the theme is Boxy Spring Revival. And on the back it tells you all your items.
Oh, that's right. That's what the other box was too.
Yeah, that's what the premium box was too. And give you a description of your items and the price of it. I'll let them take it, and I can already tell you what the item is that I already got. It is the Christoph Robin
Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water.
Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist, which I didn't like the first time. So, what does it say about this?
This mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy-to-style hold using a delicate rose blend infused formula with baobab leaf extract. Oh, she says she likes baobab leaves. And oligo elements from seawater. This mist helps enhance hair's texture and provides lift at the roots for a long-lasting, volumized look. $39. Christoph Robin Paris. Or Christopher Oben Paris.
Yes, it does have a pretty strong rose smell. So what do you think, Fanny? You don't like roses?
Too much. She says too much.
Too much roses.
Too much roses.
Okay, this will probably go into a giveaway. I will be sure to let it be known that it is rose scented. So. Okay, this looks interesting. Oh, this is my choice item. This was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation. The Luminous Foundation. In the shade 120W. Which I'm worried, W means warm, so I don't know if this is going to match my skin or not. Oh, that looks like a nice shade.
It's lovely. Yes, it's lovely, isn't it? Yeah, it's lovely. She says it's lovely.
So, this looks like it might match. What does it say about this?
Fanny wants to read this one. I don't know if this is really working. Yeah, I'm sorry. I have to do it. A water-resistant liquid foundation that creates a luminous and natural finish. It's nice that they have liquid foundations now instead of like the solid ones where you just have to beat the big rocks against your skin. The Radiant formula delivers long-lasting, long-wearing, medium coverage, yet still feels so lightweight and looks ultra-fresh. Luminous foundation blurs any imperfection without caking or masking the skin's natural radiance. It looks so great on its own. There's no need to set with the powder.
Oh, I'm going to start with the powder.
But there's no need. There's no need, it says. MSRP $38 at Anastasia Beverly Hills.
It might be a little warm for me, but, because I like neutral shades, but, we'll just have to see. We'll just have to see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I like that.
Next up.
Just a second. Okay, next we have this Item Beauty Lash Snack. I'm not going to take it out of the box. I've got so many mascaras.
It's not literally a snack. You're hungry? Okay, wait. I'll wait till after, okay? Yeah, it won't be that long. Addison Rae Lash Snack Lengthening and Mascara. This flake-free and smudge-proof lengthening mascara is packed with nourishing lash boosters and hydrating conditioners like castor seed oil, glycerin, and coconut oil. See, that wouldn't be very, yeah. See. So your lashes can live large. The unique micro wand and exclusive complex in the formula naturally enhance every single lash for 3 times the volume. 3. MSRP $15 at Item Beauty. 3, yeah, 3.
So I know this is an Ipsy brand. Let me know down below if you...
I said no. Don't start with me. Don't you start with me. Oh, don't you start with me. Okay, you go to timeout for a minute.
I'm going to save this for a giveaway. I have lots of mascaras right now. I have like a backup of mascaras. And
you have a plethora of mascaras.
A plethora, yes.
A multitude of mascaras.
Yeah, and a lot of the mini-size mascaras that I'm working through, and I don't know. I've seen other unboxings. I don't know if you've seen other unboxings. This didn't look like my kind of mascara that has like the big bristles on it. It looked like it had fine bristles on it. Okay, something from Sela, a Glacier Netanyant de Glacier
Glossier.
Clay cleanser. Gentle glacial cleansing cream.
Helps the removal of makeup, environmental pollutants, and dead facial skin cells to reveal a fresh, glowing appearance. Enriched with natural botanical extracts and minerals from glacial oceanic clay to leave skin soft, fresh, and radiant. So glaciers have clay in them. I thought they were mostly ice, but I guess I could see there'd be some. That seems like a lot of work, though. They go out there and they like chisel off pieces and then melt them down and then sift out the clay. Really, really, with all of that work, it's amazing that this is only $45 MSRP. It's got glaciers.
So many facial washes right now.
And there seems to be a lot of glacier-themed stuff lately. Maybe there was like a big glacier that broke off and there's like a glut in the market or something. I
do love this brand because I got from a Ipsy X box that I got their clay mask, and I really love that clay mask. So I'm not gonna open this and smell it just yet. I'm going to think about it. So, Yeah, I have so many cleansers. I have so many everything. Okay.
What happens with all these subscription boxes? It just keeps coming at you. It never stops. It never, ever stops.
And the last item I have is from Lucky Chick.
Liquid eyeshadow. This gorgeous metallic pink shade. I know, right? Wow. Oh, it's
pink.
Very exciting. Creates a beautiful tone while radiating a subtle shimmery glow. It is lightweight, long-lasting, and has the right amount of shine and luster. I don't know what that amount is technically, but it has the right amount. Wear a thin layer on the lids or build it up for a more dramatic look. Layering this soothing cucumber-enriched eyeshadow makes it perfect for all-day wear. Well, they just really threw that in, didn't they? Also, there's cucumbers in it. Are they glacial cucumbers? That's what I want to know. They grew them on a glacier. That would be impressive.
This seems really nice, but again, I just don't use.
She's admiring it.
I know you would use it, right? I just don't use liquid eyeshadows.
Well, then off to the giveaway with you.
It's very pretty.
It is very pretty. Is that pretty? Yeah, pretty.
Isn't it pretty? It's very pretty. It's just...
You can still try it. You just don't think you would use it.
I don't want to try it and then never use it again.
Yeah.
It's in the color Rose Quartz.
That's a good color.
I'm just not going to open it. I think I will keep this though. So I'm going to open it and smell it. That does smell good.
Smell like glaciers?
It smells very fresh. Yeah. Okay. Fanny, what do you think of this box? You excited about it?
Seems to be approving.
Okay, you can't live in this box. No. No, no. Get out. It's okay. It's okay. Tomorrow's Easter, Fanny. Are you excited about that? Yeah. Okay. So, do you have your phone, Aaron?
I do have my phone.
Okay. Can you add all this up?
I can and I will.
Okay, so what I got in this box was my choice item, which I really like. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. My repeat item, which will go into a giveaway, is the Christoph Robin Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist. And yeah, I got this, which will go into a giveaway, which is the Item Beauty Lash Stack Mascara. And this Lucky Chick Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose Quartz, which will most likely go into a giveaway. And I am keeping the Ciela Glacier Clay Cleanser, which is very nice. What is the retail value of this box?
$159.
$159, which I think they guarantee that you will get $125 value from the box.
They're cutting it close, you know. I don't know, that'll leave a lot of margin there. I don't know.
I think... Hello, Fanny. You have a phone? I think it was a good box. I just don't think I'll be using everything from it. I'll give it a 3 out of 5. What do you think, Fanny? Is that a good score? Okay. What are you doing, Fanny? Okay. Can I ask a favor of y'all? Can y'all check and make sure that y'all are, if you're a subscriber, can you make sure that you are still subscribed to my channel? YouTube has been up to its antics and unsubscribing people.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh, YouTube.
So just make a quick check and make sure you're still subscribed. And if you want to stay subscribed, resubscribe, please. And yeah. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing again. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me with the algorithm. And yeah, leave a comment down below. Did you get your BoxyCharm? Did you get these same items? Are we Boxy twins? Did you get different items? Leave me a comment. Let me know. We are very nosy. Even leave a comment and tell us about your day. We love hearing from you. So, with that said, do you have anything to add, Fanny? No? Really? That's surprising. Okay. Are you okay, Erin? What's she say to you? Are we keeping secrets?
Yeah, she just don't want to know. It's rude. Well, it was. We'll just agree to disagree on that.
Okay. Alright. We hope you are having a fantastic day out there today. And if you are not, we hope that something comes along and kickstart your day so that you can have a fantastic, wonderful day out there today. No matter...
A amazing day.
A flamazing day. Yeah. No matter where you are in the world, day or night. And no matter what day you are watching, have a fantabulous weekend. Have a happy Easter if you are celebrating Easter. And yeah, if you're having an especially hard time, know that we're thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes to you. Okay, wow, Fanny.
That was a lot of vibes.
That was a lot of vibes. Yeah.
You okay?
So,
all right. Now.
Just remember to stay strong and to stay healthy and to stay safe out there. And we will see you tomorrow with another video. And, okay, just stay well until then. Goodbye.